Okay, today I want to share with all some products that I brought from DentalKart. So, okay, let's start. So, first one is this gloves from Walden. It is a small size gloves and it has 80 pieces. Okay. Okay, next what I have is these Oro sleeves for RVGs. Okay, like it comes in this packaging, and yeah, so this is the packaging. Let me open it one for you all. Just a minute. Okay, just I guess you need to press it over here. Okay, come out. Okay, so it is also given an instruction how to use. This is the instruction that is present inside this. So this is it, and the sleeve is this. Okay, these are the sleeves. So this box contains almost 500 pieces of these sleeves. Okay, they are a little bit thin, but it's okay. The size is perfect for the RVG sensor. Okay, now let's open this. It contains things like first it contains I got a Super Endo Access Bar 16, this one. Okay, I hope you can see this. Yep. Okay, next I got these like articulating paper. Okay, these are articulating paper for visible occlusion, and it contains 10 sheets. Okay, I bought one fiber splint, Techno fiber splint for splinting purposes. Okay, this again another this articulating paper. Okay, so it contains like okay, I got one money VR41 diamond bar. Okay, this is round bar, small round bar. Yeah. Next I got material that is GP, that is F1 F3 assorted GP. It contains 3 sizes of GPs. Okay, as I got this one like Super Endo Progressive Tapered Control Memory Night Type files. These are hand pro taper files. Okay, that is a 21 mm SX to F3, SX, S1, S2, F1, F2, F3. Okay, so let's open this one. Just I want to have a look in it. Wait, okay, let's open it. Okay, so these are like these files. Okay, this is starting from here, SX. Okay, and then their following files are there. Hope you can see it properly. So let's try them. I will let you know how these products are. I generally buy products from DentalKart because I require a lot of products which all of a sudden if I need them, then DentalKart is very good option because they provide us in a very right time. They never delay the delivery. And yeah, okay, tell me in the comment section whoever likes DentalKart as their regular dental materials. Okay, thank you.